I just saw this waking up. I've been waking up with like that on my face. I'm convinced I'm like sucking on. I don't even, who knows? What the fuck? Okay, it is 10:54. In my defense, I woke up at 10 o'clock. And then I and Sleepy Don delegated our head, and Sleepy Don always wins. But it's time to get up. It's time to get our day going. So, let's go. Oh. A little bit, just a little bit longer. Alright, so my Stoney's back at work, but oh my god. Wait, I can't replay it? Man. I showed him a song, or I showed him a group, and like, it's a very popular song. And it's just so him. It's just so him to do that. He just makes really silly jokes. Like, they're not even, they're just corny, and like, he loves them. Like, he plays the 2 Cinema Club, the he does it, he goes with his nuts in his office when no one's there. It's just funny. It's just funny. Yeah. Okay, I'm up. Okay, don't yell at me. I know. Don't know, I got before 7 or 8. You're not gonna be successful. Relax. So today we are finally, because I've been going all around this, gonna make the website, and I don't know if today's gonna be the day I make the decision, but I scale businesses or I scale international, which will it be? I don't know. But before we start our day, let's have a powerful breakfast that will crush it. That is delicious. So watch out. I'll catch you guys on the flip. Bye. Guys, this is it. It's my moment. I just did a slow-mo, and I think TikTok's for me, guys. I think I'm gonna do it. I think that I'm gonna go pro on TikTok. Do you hear me? Do you hear me, world? I'm gonna go pro on TikTok. Yeah, you watch me hit the fuck out of that dance. Ha bitch. Just kidding. I'm gonna have some breakfast. Ooh, la la la. I'm eating little babies. What do you mean you're leaving at 1?
Quitting.
Give a little pep talk.
Roscoff Enterprises is going to be the fucking #1 marketing company in the world. I'm telling you right now. Bro, Charlie called me and he goes, I'm finally going to take your advice. I was like, about what? He was like, we do need a team of people who are specialized in each part.
Yeah.
So have somebody who's amazing at pay-per-click, amazing at Facebook, amazing individually. Let me manage that. Rather than me do everything.
Yeah.
Let me manage everything. And he was like, bro, we're going to fucking crush it. And I was
okay.
Like,
so you're quitting today?
yeah. Quitting today.
Can you make a video for me?
Of me quitting?
Do what I did with the Walmart. Just get on top of your desk and be like, fuck this place. I'm kidding.
Tomorrow, well, if I decide to come back tomorrow to collect my check, then I'll do that.
Okay.
But I'm definitely leaving today at 1.
That boy.
Yes, sir. Alright, best. I'm gonna go get some more work done. I look like Tyler Hero.
You look like the storm got to you. So you look like the storm got to you. You got to fit them. Tomorrow I get my shoes.
Huh?
Tomorrow I get my shoes.
Hey.
Uh-huh. Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, bet.
Goodbye. Alright, we're gonna finish this and then get on the website. Bye. Okay, Stoney would like to share something with you guys.
Nothing, it's just a cookie. Just a normal.
You have to, wait. I have to show you my thumbnail because you're gonna die when you see it.
It's just a normal cookie.
Hold on, you have to eat it like in a weird position. Hold up. Thumbnail time, babes. There it is. You want to see the thumbnail? What the fuck? He's medicated right now, for sure. I'm also gonna call my sister with you guys because I helped her with her essay and I made an amazing portion of it. That's you? That's also you.
Here's my question. Like, you know Louis C.K., right?
No.
You don't know who he is?
Nope.
Big time film producer.
Okay.
Huge.
Mm-hmm.
Like he's produced a lot of movies you probably love.
Okay.
Finds out he raped a fuck ton of women.
What are we getting at?
Okay, no, what I'm asking is me posting, or you posting, what you're posting.
There's no contraband on it.
There's no contraband. Of course, I just ate a cookie, and we were just working. That's it. We might have to cut out that one last section.
Okay.
I freaked out at the cookie. But, in general, let's play it. Let's have my reaction to the video.
It's super long. It's 30 minutes.
Skip to the good parts.
Okay.
You didn't put in. Because I have a nice, very important call. It's going to be 4 o'clock. Cheers.
Oh God. See, I'm not gonna record anymore because I know that he's gonna drink too much, and I love the way he sounds on the call.
But that's legal.
Clients when he's drunk, it's hilarious.
I'm gonna delete that part now.
I gotta keep adjusting it, but Stone. Okay, so.
Where is that?
Exactly. He's the CEO of his own company, so he can do whatever the fuck he wants. Yeah, he didn't answer. So
I think it's gonna get copyrighted anyways. There's so many songs over it.
What's up, baby?
So
what are we doing? What did you?
In front of a camera. I need to show acting like a fucking...
A functioning human being.
Yeah, because I'm over here looking like a fucking...
Look at what?
crackhead.
Guys, let's rate it. Tell me he doesn't have the drip. I'm a weird, like, Zuckerberg kind of guy. I wear the same black shirt. He styles out every single day. Looks fantastic.
I don't, though.
Well kept up. Stays in good health.
In good health.
In good health.
I look like I finger blasted a Smurf.
Stop, that's mine!
Alright.
What, you said elephant.
Yeah, but that's fucked. Because have you ever seen elephant toothpaste?
That's what they're not. And someone that has made a guest appearance, Poncy boy, Daniel Ponce, my homie, he just gave me a call, and I'm not gonna call him on here because it's probably about something private, but that's awesome. I miss him. I haven't seen him in a long time, and I always wish him the best. So I'm gonna call him, and then we're gonna go to Chipotle. Oh, I still need to show you guys my sister's essay. We'll get to that, okay? Bye, love you guys. Alrighty, Stoney and I, we're heading over to Chipotle. Where else would we eat? I'm gonna be covering him because he just bought a kilo of cocaine. And he's, what else are you importing? What, the Tesla MDMAs, right? Yeah, he has a lot that's being imported right now. So I'm gonna cover him for lunch, and then he said that he's gonna hook me up. So whatever that means, I don't know. Yeah, so let's go get some Chipotle. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna make this video really short because I want to get some rest tonight. So here's the Chipotle. Yum 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 yum. Any words? Any words? Come on.
Hi.
Okay. He wants to be secluded today. Huh?
The sauces are all upside down.
Oh my god. Can you imagine if they were all
They are.
messed? No, they're not. We good today? Okay, bye. Hey guys, I got my first package at this house. Stoney's not too happy for me. He just wants to go to bed. Alright? Yeah, I gotta be careful. If not, I'll show you guys my address.
Yeah,
that's no bueno. Ooh, baby. Let me not be too aggressive with this packaging in case the shoe doesn't fit me. The shoe doesn't fit. All right. How are we feeling about these? How are we feeling?
Real hard.
Clean. Easy.
Same size.
Beautiful. Beautiful. 10 out of 10. Bye. Okay guys, so we have the laundry machine is broken here. Don't ask me why, how, where, when, I don't know. But I had laundry. I was washing my laundry and then the dryer broke and I have nothing in the dryer, so don't come for me, okay? We're gonna bring my laundry over to my mom's and we're gonna edit the video there. We're gonna spend some time with her there and I'm gonna schedule everything out there. So this is gonna be a nice little addition. Editing at my mom's. Bye. I like film me putting it to the back.
I mean, you're pretty much filming it, right?
Yeah. Please don't knock it. Dog, it's not funny. Where's the bag? What the hell? Did I put it in your room?
My name is Epstein. What?
Did I put it in your room?
What?
What?
I'm going to sleep.
Yup. Not fun. This is adulting, boys and girls. Oh, my jacket. Yeah. Never let this soak. Take that as a lesson, boys and girls. You want to live somewhere? Make sure everything works. That living conditions are correct. To your standard. This will not work for too long. This, my friends, is disgusting. Bye.
¿Eres un barajo, papi?
Hola, Dani. Alright, we're gonna do the laundry and then we're gonna get out of here. Hey babes, so my computer isn't working and I'm still waiting on my laundry, so kind of stuck here. See you guys in a bit. Great news, guys. Just Daniel's luck. This MacBook been charging for about 10 minutes at a time. Each time I attempt to open it and turn it on. Power, exit button, all buttons, nada. Sometimes that'll turn green. Like I'll do that, it'll be green. Don't know what that means. Doesn't turn on. Laptop number 2. Laptop number 2. Thank you. Hey, babes. So I have no idea how to do this. This sounds like death. But I love you guys. I am now recording on my other laptop. Just to put things in perspective how bad things are. And how much I don't understand. I love you. This is Dear Dani. October 22nd, 2020.